All right, we back one more time. Came across a really cool indicator today, SPY to ES. So the reason I think this is so cool is because you can convert SPY levels instantly to MES or ES, E-mini, S&P levels. So for example, go to the Bear Trap Discord, link in the description, and you can look up SPY, and you can get the levels for tomorrow. Let me give you the levels right now. Levels are going to be obviously 410. Okay, we got our vol trigger would be 404, max pain 401, put wall 400. All right, so basically the way it's going to work is like we're basically going to take buy signals into 404, and any buy signals up until 410, that would be our ceiling. And then if we are able to get underneath 404, then we would be a seller into 400. Likely to be a magnet into that 401, 400 level. So looking at this, just sort of keeping it simple. And so what we do is come into this indicator, SPY to ES. SPY to ES by It's Anders 81. Thank you for writing this script. Very nice. And then we're just going to put our targets in here. And then it'll convert it directly. So basically what I said, bullish above 404, bearish below 404, so that's this gray line here. And I've just had to change the colors. You can add VWAP if you want to as well. If you see dark pool prints, you can add those. Not into that. It's a little complicated for me to be messing with dark pools as well as GEX. Keeping it simple. So 408, I did 408, and the reason I did 408 was because it is the zero GEX line right here. That's where this GEX line crosses over the middle. That's zero GEX, so I made that one 408, and then there's our 410 ceiling. And there's our price target, there's our max pain, and our short. So they basically get a nice clean chart like this, where we got our midpoint, our targets above, and our targets below. So under here, essentially we're just looking to be in a volatile state of the market. So if it's able to get underneath that 4066, that's going to be similar to that 404. So you can see how it's converting it directly. Then you also get the SPY label here showing you what SPY's current price is. But like if we go to SPY, you can see that the levels will actually line up with, I'm going to show you right quick, basically what I put in there. Yeah, sort of doing it. It's trying. But anyways, it works pretty good. It worked today really well, catching this move up into basically what would amount to a 405, 406 SPY. It actually had levels posted here in this indicator that it just becomes really obvious when you can see ES through the SPY lens, especially using GEX levels like this. So hopefully this helps you. You got to update it manually, unfortunately. So every morning when open interest gets updated around 6 a.m. Central, you should go in there and make sure those levels get updated. And then you have a nice clear picture, and you can start adding stuff in. Like I add the T-scalper, and I've got some volume indicators down here, basically so I can kind of see like, hey, what's the trend looking like, and I've got expected ranges and that kind of stuff for different time frames. So go check it out. It's free, and hopefully this helps you, and we'll see you next time. Peace.